I'm Johnny Knoxville, and this motherfucker. This is that motherfucker.
My
This is that
name is Billy
motherfucker.
Slapdick, and this is Rocket
Billy
Racing.
Slap.
All right, I'm ready.
All right, you ready?
Here we go.
There he goes.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. My name is Billy Slapdick, and that was Rocket Racing. Stop teabagging me, you dick. It's all down.
I'm watching. You're gonna come through here. I'm gonna see your ass with the camera. Nah, nah.
Dumbass! I B-clipped it from this bitch. You fucking dumb. Alright, my name's Jenny Jerkoff, and this is the money shot. Alright, begin jerking.
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh.
Stop!
Oh.
What's with these homies dissing my girl? Why do they gotta front? Where you at?
Here I am.
What?
Oh, nice one, moron. You fucking. Ah!
Damn it!
Right. What is wrong with you?
I love things.
Yo, dude, shut up. Hold up.
Oh, you just killed me, you fucking pussy. Fuck. Ow. Shit.
Maybe a cloaker? Hold on. Maybe a cloaker. Alright, I'm gonna kill myself. Alright, I'm back. Shut the fuck up. Did you see with that big ass, tall ass building, bro? I ain't even there, Loki. I'm chilling. Hey, you don't see me, right? No!
You stupid ass, no! You bobbing up and down.
Ah!
Wait,
No. You ain't gonna find me?
Find your ass. You think I'm gonna find your ass? I'm gonna find your ass. Where you think you were hiding? I'm gonna find your ass. I'm gonna kill you. And shoot you in the fucking head.
Okay. Water and
You think shit is so sweet. You think shit is so sweet, but when I catch you,
bro, I'm barricaded. You ain't getting in here.
when I catch your ass, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna shoot you.
Literally I'm closer than anything.
Where you at, bro? Damn.
Bro, I'm hiding.
I spent all this time trying to find you. Where
Bro,
you at?
you will know. If you know, you know. You will know where I am. This is not even this is not like no goddamn elite Gmod secret, bro. This is literally G on construct.
No fucking way.
Dude, I'm literally hiding in the most obvious spot of all time. Let me sneak a camera out there.
Fucking serious, bro. Oh my god. I fucking hate you. I'm gonna get your ass. I'm gonna find your ass. I'm gonna kill you.
Yo, you ain't touching me.
Did you fucking V-clip away?
No,
Oh, you pussy. You're such a fucking pussy.
you ain't finding me. You ain't finding me.
You're a fucking pussy. I can say that with utmost certainty. You're a fucking pussy. You don't want you don't want to run the ones. You're a fucking pussy.
Okay, dude, come on.
Alright, fine. I fucking hate you, bro. You don't fucking dick.
Alright, what's going on, chat? We're gonna be vlogging today. And you know on my leg! That motherfucker's not on my leg! Wait! You know on my